Let me tell you how things have been going recently. If I leave you know how you fall asleep with the TV on and then it goes into a rotation. So I fall asleep with the TV on and yeah, and then it goes into a rotation. So I could wake up and I don't know what's playing. Like I left the sound system on or something, music on, and now somebody's talking. I just lose YouTube on, fall asleep to the music. Like about 3:30, 2:30 in the night or whatever, I wake up and I hear somebody speaking. So, boom, shut off. Anyway, this night I heard somebody speaking. I was like, who the fuck is this? Speaking halfway, not totally decent, but halfway decent. So, oh, this is KRS-1. So I listened to KRS-1 speak bullshit for about, I don't know, half an hour, 45 minutes. Then I come on and look at the TV. You know how you turn on YouTube and they have advertisements of videos that you might think are interesting. And so I'll see KRS-1 as a female. Look, who's this ugly bitch? Damn, this ugly bitch is KRS-1.